Hi all. In my previous video, I have discussed the concept of rate of change and average rate of change. Now I am going to discuss the instantaneous rate of change. Let's start the instantaneous rate of change. Consider this diagram. There are 2 points P and Q. The coordinates of the P is x and fx, and the Q is x plus h and f of x plus h. Then this distance is h, and this one represent the height, represent f of x plus h. Now the average rate of change of PQ chord is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x over h. We know that. Okay. Now, if I approach this h value to 0, what happened to the point Q? Point Q converges to P, and the PQ chord becomes the tangent at the point P. It is the tangent at the point P. Therefore, the average rate of change of the PQ chord becomes the gradient at the point P. It can be written as limit h goes to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. This is the gradient at the point P, or this is called the instantaneous rate of change. Instantaneous rate of change of the y is equal to fx is equal to the gradient of the tangent to the curve at the point x and fx. Okay. Normally we denote it by f dash x. F dash x is equal to h goes to 0 f of x plus h minus fx over h. If the function fx is given by y is equal to fx, the derivative, first derivative of the function denoted by y dy over dx equal to f dash x. F dash x is, we know that limit h goes to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Find the derivative by using this method is called the first principle method. Here, let's see my first example. Use the first principle to find the gradient of the curve with the equation this one. Actually, which represent the gradient at any point of the curve. Okay, we have to consider f of x plus h. X plus h square minus twice x plus h. Then fx is known, x square minus 2x. Now we have to get f of x plus h minus f of x. Then x plus h square minus twice x plus h minus x square minus 2x. This one we can simplify, x square plus 2xh plus h square minus 2x minus 2h minus x square plus 2x. Okay, we have to simplify these terms. X square and x square get cancelled. Then 2x and 2x get cancelled. Now, it can be written as 2xh plus h square minus 2h f of x plus h minus f of x. Now we have to divide both sides by h. F of x plus h minus f of x over h. 2x, I'll take h as the common factor. H minus 2 divided by h. This h and this h get cancelled. Limit h goes to 0 f of x plus h minus fx over h. Limit h goes to 0 2x plus h minus 2. We have to substitute h to 0. That means When h approach to 0, this is 2x minus 2. Therefore, f dash x is equal to 2x minus 2. My next example, I'll take f of x is equal to 3x to the power of 3. Find the first derivative by using first principle. Okay, now we have to take f of x plus h, 3 times x plus h to the power of 3. Therefore, f of x is 3x to the power of 3. Now, f of x plus h minus f of x is 3 times x plus h to the power of 3 minus 3x3. F of x plus h minus fx. Then we have to simplify 3 times this one x to the power of 3 plus 3x square h, 3x h square plus h to the power of 3 minus 3x3. Now we can simplify this 3x square to 3x square. Therefore, the right hand side of the 9x square h plus 9x h square plus h to the power of 3. Therefore, f of x plus h minus fx over h can be written as 9x square 9x h square h to the power of 3 over h. Now h can be taken as a common factor, 9x square plus 9x h plus h square over h. Then h and h get cancelled. 9x square plus 9x h plus h square. Now if I take the limit h approach to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x over h is equal to limit h approach to 0, 9x square plus 9x h plus h square. H goes to 0. What is the answer is 9x square. These two terms are 0. Therefore, f dash x or the first derivative is 9x square. Thanks for watching this video. I have explained the instantaneous rate of change using first principle and see how it reveals the slope of the tangent line. Please subscribe my channel to watch my new videos. Thank you.